Top 7 Best Vanilla Beans.
Number 1.
Vanilla Bean Kings. The package comes at an affordable price. The quality of the seeds is inspected several times. It contains less water weight, which is around 20 to 25%. The pods are all gluten-free and fit right into any diet. The product is packed in a vacuum-sealed packet to ensure freshness.
Number 2.
25 Madagascar Bourbon Planifolia. The brand uses selected seeds that's been properly cured. One packet contains 25 pieces of fresh, dried pods. It is a premium bourbon quality ingredient. The pods are 5 to 6 inches in length.
Number 3.
Tahitian Vanilla Beans by Jaya Labs. It's a non-GMO, gluten-free and organic product. The items are sun-dried naturally for a couple of months. It has a unique combination of raisin, fig and cherry flavor. The beans are of grade A, gourmet qualities. The item comes with a shelf life of about a year.
Number 4.
Kiva Vanilla Bean Powder. The powder contains 0% alcohol and doesn't evaporate while cooking. It helps make any white-colored vanilla icing quite easily. The grounded beans come from a pesticide-free farm. It takes only a little amount to add a strong flavor to any food. It's a raw, eco-friendly and vegan product.
Number 5.
Vanilla Bean Paste by Hulila. It relieves the hassle of splitting and scraping the pods. It helps make delicious vanilla-flavored ice cream at home. The brand has won several awards for its superior quality of products. It's an excellent substitute for store-bought extracts.
Number 6.
Vanilla Bean Paste by Loran. It comes in affordable mini bottles of 2 and 4 ounces. The paste is made from all natural ingredients. It doesn't contain alcohol in it. The pods that have been used to prepare this item comes from Madagascar.
Number 7.
Tahitian Extract Grade. The manufacturer follows the traditional way of cultivating the pods. The seeds come in a reasonable price tag compared to their quality. It's most suitable for making extracts, pudding and custard. The pods have a sweet, mouth-watering smell with a floral undertone. Benefits of using vanilla beans. 1. Reduces cholesterol level. People who have too much cholesterol in their bodies have a higher possibility of getting heart attacks or strokes. The low-density lipoprotein is known as the bad cholesterol and mainly responsible for building up fats in the arteries. The good news is, vanilla pods contain vanillin, a chemical compound that helps regulate the blood pressure level quite effectively. It also decreases the LDL and helps increase high-density lipoprotein, which is the good cholesterol of our body. As a result, it prevents heart diseases, reduces the chances of strokes and improves cardiovascular functions all at the same time. 2. Promotes hair growth. These pods are rich in vitamins, minerals and essential oils. All of these compounds work together to reduce hair loss and make your shine effortlessly. Let me give you some examples of how this thing works. Vanilla seeds contain riboflavin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 and niacin. All these B-complex vitamins help break down carbs, proteins effectively. As a result, our hair follicles get enough protein and nutrition and promote healthy locks. Don't forget about vanilla essential oil, which is a perfect way to add a touch of extra glam to your hair. To get its benefits, just use it like any regular hot oil treatment and leave it overnight to enjoy a silky texture to your hair on the next day. 3. Reverses skin damage. Did you know spending a long time in the sun causes a free radical reaction, which damages our skin and makes us look much older than we are? Yep. All those fine lines and wrinkles are the byproducts of the UV radiation in sunlight. However, there's a way of reversing the aging spots and make your skin glow again. Vanilla seeds are rich in antioxidants and minerals that cleanses your skin and fights off the effect of free radicals. To revive your skin, make a body scrub by crushing the beans into a paste and apply it before bath. 4. Helps lose weight. Although nothing can replace the role of a strict diet and regular exercise in terms of losing extra fat, the vanilla extract also goes a long way by helping your metabolism to work faster and digest food easily. The vanilla beans are also known to reduce cholesterol levels and suppress your appetite, thus, help you make you feel full after a healthy meal. 5. Acts as a pain reliever. Have you been suffering from a terrible headache lately? Well, it's time to treat yourself with some bean puddings that contain vanilla in it. This ingredient has some magical properties that help relieve any kind of pain naturally. Vanilla pods are also known to relieve patients with arthritis or joint pain and helps reduce any type of inflammation.